Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a one-time payment with Afterpay. Let's get straight into it. So to make a one-time payment, all you got to do is open the Afterpay app or log on to the website using your mobile device or computer, and then just log into your Afterpay account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, just tap or click on order or transactions to view your current orders or transactions. Now you want to select the order or transaction for which you want to make a one-time payment, and then just tap or click on make a payment to initiate a one-time payment. And just select the payment amount that you want to pay, or you could enter a custom amount, and then just choose the payment method that you want to use for the one-time payment. And once you're done with that, review and confirm the payment details to complete the one-time payment. Now, of course, the payment method that you have available, you got a credit or debit card, so you can make a one-time payment using a credit or debit card. You also have bank accounts. You can make a one-time payment directly from your bank accounts. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a one-time payment with Afterpay. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.